Yeah, hi Pallavi, hi Mohit. I think we are live now. So let's start with the session for which everyone is waiting for.
Yes, Ankit. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining in. Hope you are all having a great weekend. This is Pallavi from Endless Domain. I'll be your host for today. So, we have received tons of requests on how to, for step by step walkthrough on how to purchase a Web3 domain. So, we are super excited to bring our first ever live demo on how to buy your domain on Endless Domain using both credit card and crypto payments. We will kick off the demo in just a bit, but first, let's take a moment to understand what Endless Domain is. And for that, I would like to invite our co founder, Ankit Agrawal, to take it from here. Over to you, Ankit.
I thank you, Pallavi. Hi everyone. Uh, Good afternoon. So thank you everyone for joining this live walkthrough on buying a digital identity, which is a domain name on blockchain. So I'll just give you a very small information about what endless domain is and what platform we are creating and how does it work properly. So endless domain have three things that we focus on. One is the ownership, and the second one is the security part, and the third one is the capitalization part. So these are the three strength pillars that we are focusing on, and that becomes our tagline also, which is own, secure, and capitalize, because those are the strongest parts of blockchain as well. Can I have the another slide? So, guys, in the next slide, what we'll be doing is we will be discussing just a brief about what is a traditional domain, which is a .com, which we call Web 2, and the other one is Web 3. So, the major difference between Web 2 and Web 3 is like everyone knows what is centralization and what is decentralization. So, Web 2 clearly indicates that we are doing something on a centralized network, which is controlled by one single identity and completely decentralized. So you guys got the basic idea about centralization and decentralization part. In traditional domains like .com or any other like .in or .in, um, it is a rented yearly or maybe for a number of years you can rent it, but you never own it. So that is the problem which Web3 domains are solving, but that you can buy them, you can own them permanently. And currently, the use of Web2 domains are hitting yourself globally where everyone can see you on a digital part. So only mostly it can be used only via websites. But when we talk about Web3 domains, they are clearly your wallet addresses. They are your digital identity on blockchain. And plus you can explore multiple dApps onto that. And very soon there will be many opportunities. You can create a proper running functioning e-commerce or any kind of a website also. The problem with current Web 2 domains is like it is controlled by identities and it can be censored and can be taken down anytime if you are trying to do some illegal content depending on the country that you're belonging from. But when we talk about Web 3 domains, they are completely censorship resistant. And Web 2 domains are not interoperable, but yeah, Web 3 domains are a multi chain and they are interoperable. And Web2 domains is completely a fragmented identity where Web3 domains give you a very unified identity which you can work on any of the blockchain system which is coming and which is the future. So in my next slide, I'll just give you a little idea what endless domain is and how it works. So let me give you a very short introduction about endless domain. So we are the first multi-chain Web3 domain aggregator, which is offering 75 plus TLDs on different chains. It is a single platform where you can buy, manage, sell Web3 domains all in one place. So you don't have to go to multiple websites and do the formalities of like logging in and selling out over there. And the third one is we are building a very secure digital identity, censorship resistant, and fully owned by you. That means the beauty of what we are talking about is anything you do on blockchain is completely owned by you. That is the best part about blockchain. And that is why everyone is looking after blockchain, whether it's terms of cryptocurrency or whether it's kind of a blockchain identity. The good thing about endless domain is we are one of the best aggregator platforms. So we are offering more than 12 plus chains on this, like unstoppable domains, ENS Ethereum name services. We have Solana name services. Then we have Arbitrium name services, BNB, which is provided by Space ID. Then we have Ton, Aptos. So every chain has got their own naming system. And that is what we are integrating under one platform. And that is why I'm calling it one of the best aggregator platforms for Web3 identity. And after this, guys, we are also creating, once you buy a domain, whether you are a domain investor or whether you are buying it for yourself, if you are a domain investor, definitely you need a marketplace for that. So that is what we have already created, which is on our beta version. That is a completely Web3 domain marketplace where you can list and buy all Web3 domains, whether it's multi-chain under one platform, and with a very less or zero commission fees onto this. So this is what we are trying to do, where you can upload all your domains if you're an investor with n number of domains. I mean, you can do it a bulk upload as well. You can do a single upload. You can do it via keywords or description, so that whenever a person wants to buy a domain using a TLD or a keyword, it's very prominent for a search index, so person can buy it. And very soon we'll be launching our own domain appraisal system also, where the domain that you have bought on Web2, you can just have a you can have a little idea, like if you want to buy a domain name on a marketplace, you can get some clear idea what is the price indication into the market for that. So this is a very small brief introduction about endless domain. So I don't want to continue on to this. It's a very good technology part. So today's event is all about live walkthrough, which is owning your digital identity on blockchain. So today we'll be covering three segments into this. One is how to search for a domain name. That will show you searching a domain name on different chains. It will show you the availability and the domains which are taken with the wallet addresses they belong to. Then we will be doing a buying via multiple payment option, credit card and crypto, because the more solution that we are giving a user is how easy and convenient it becomes for a person to buy a Web3 domain using a credit card. Because not everyone is very familiar and using crypto payments on an everyday use. The third one is how to link your wallet with a domain name. Whatever domain that you are buying, you want to link your domain name to your current wallet, because it's very difficult to remember your wallet address, right? So we will be showing you how you can connect your domain name with a wallet, and how it will show on multiple decentralized wallets. By searching for a domain name, it will directly reflect you with the uh, wallet address as well. So, guys, we have Mohit today with us, who will be giving you a live walkthrough on buying a domain name. So, Mohit, just give me a heads up whenever you are ready. So, let's start with the first live walkthrough by Endless Domain, which will give a lot of users a very good idea, because I think most of that we will be getting queries like how we can buy a domain name,
All right.
will it work with a credit card. So this is what motivated us to do a live walkthrough. So Mohit, are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Thank you so much for that introduction, Ankit. Yeah, we're ready to go. We can start the demo. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohit, and I'll be taking you through the walkthrough. So let me know once my screen is visible. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
it's
great. So
visible now, Mohit.
okay, thank you. Okay, so this is our landing page. Whenever you visit endlessdomains.io, you visit this page directly. So this is the interface that you're greeted with. You can go ahead and visit our landing page as so. So let us start by searching for a domain. Now let's say we want to search for a domain. Let's say it's Cryptomus, right? Let's say we want to search for a domain. We just enter the domain name and we are- we are redirected to this page again. I'm going to save you the hassle of any loading. So I had already searched for that domain here. So what you can see here is all the results that we've aggregated from different blockchains. So as Ankit mentioned as well, that we are an aggregator platform and we sell domains from different providers. So as you can see, there are about 70 to 75 TLDs that we support. like DAO, 888, ZIL, Polygon, and they are on different chains as well. Here you can see the chain and the provider that we're supporting. So these are Polygon and Unstoppable domains. These are based. These are domains on Base. These are domains on Arbitrum. So on the search interface, you can go ahead and look at all the domains that we have available. Like we have AVAX, we have Box as well, right? So we support a wide range of TLDs, and also on the search interface, there may be some chains that your domain that you're searching is not available on. Let's say on Ethereum, the domain is already taken; it will expire on 8/12, and someone has taken it. Similarly, on Sol and Aptos as well, it's been taken. So, uh, whatever domain you have to buy, you need to check the availability first. So, I want to buy. Let's say we want to buy this one. So, this domain is available. I'll go ahead and add this to my cart. And to buy this domain, I need to first go to my cart, right? So, this is the domain I added to my cart. I need to click this domain. Obviously, there are no renewals on this one. If there are promo codes that you have, you can apply any discount over here, and I'll go ahead and check out. So after clicking checkout, the first thing you see here are two fields that you need to enter to in order to purchase the domain. Now a wallet is obviously it's a very necessary tool that you need to purchase a domain. It's basically a store for your domain. So whatever domain you buy, you need to store it somewhere, right? So that is your wallet. And the next one is the email address where you will receive all relevant communication regarding your order, whether it failed, whether it succeeded, what was the status. So you'll receive all communication regarding it on the email. So I'll go ahead and connect my wallet over here. I don't want to connect my Trust wallet. I will go ahead and connect MetaMask, right? So you can use any wallet you want. I usually prefer MetaMask, so I'll connect my MetaMask wallet over here. Right, it will ask you for two confirmations. Once you confirm the connection, what will happen is it will log you in as a user. I had already logged in previously and entered an email, so my email is already verified. But if you're a new user, you will have to first connect your wallet, and then you will have to enter your email address as well. It will then send you a verification link, and then you can verify your email. So once we have this step connected, so this is the wallet that my domain will be stored in, the wallet which I connected right now, which was MetaMask. In your case, you can use any wallet that you prefer. We support about 20, 200 plus wallets. So you can use any one that you prefer. So now I have all this connected. I'll go ahead and check out, which will take me to the checkout page over here. So on the checkout page, we have two payment options, two major payment options that are card payment and crypto payment. So let's first quickly go through the card payment. It's quite self-explanatory, but what you have to do is just enter your card number here, enter your card details here. Let's say you enter anything, right? I mean, you can't enter anything. You need to obviously enter the right fields. But yeah, you enter the details and then you click on submit payment. Once you click on submit payment, whatever authentication is required by the bank on your side, that will pop up. And then after that authentication, the payment is successful. There is nothing else that you need to do on the card payment side. So that is quite simple. That is quite a simple process to proceed with card as well. Now, if you don't want to be paying through your bank through your card, so what you can do is go to the crypto payment section, and then you are greeted with two payment gateways that you can use. So I'll be showing you payment from both the payment gateways. Let us first go to Cryptomus, right? So Cryptomus is one of the two crypto payment gateways that we support, and it's quite easy to process payment through this gateway as well. So first you're greeted with this screen. Obviously, you need to pay $2. Now you need to select a currency. So while selecting a currency and a network, please be sure that you have that currency in your wallet and the network you've selected is correct. Otherwise, if you incorrectly select the currency or the network, your funds may get lost. So that's just a note that I would like to add. Now, I have Polygon on the Polygon chain. So I will be selecting that. Obviously, I have it on the Polygon chain, but if I were to select Ethereum, then my funds would be lost. I have it on the Polygon chain. So I will select Polygon and then I will proceed to payment. When you proceed to payment, you've got two major information here. You need to pay this amount of Polygon, and this is the recipient's wallet address, meaning you need to pay this much amount to this wallet. So I'll just quickly, I'll copy this recipient wallet address. I'll go to my MetaMask from which I want to pay. I'll click on send, right? I will again enter the address, the recipient wallet address, and then the poll amount I need to enter. So the amount that I need to enter here has to be exactly the same, because this is the amount that translates to the 2 point something dollars, the extra cents for gas fee. So please make sure to enter this amount exactly. That's 27891607, 27891607. Okay, so this is the exact amount I'm sending. I'll click on continue over here and confirm my transaction. So my wallet is sending the transaction to Cryptomus, obviously, for domain purchase. So my sending is confirmed from the wallet. Once you've confirmed, the Cryptomus payment gateway will automatically detect the transaction. So like so, it detected my transaction ID. It will confirm my transaction. Yeah. So the payment is paid. I have successfully paid the invoice with crypto. So now I can go back. So when I go back, it takes me to the payment success page, from where I can view the order. So there is this order is processing. If I go ahead and view the order, it's cryptomus.og. So it is processing, right? Why it is processing? It's because domains usually take 10 to 15 minutes to mint and then come into your wallet. That's why it's processing. So the processing time ranges from, I mean, it depends on the TLD that you buy. In this case, I bought OG. So for OG, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to come into your wallet. That's why it's processing. Once you complete the order, you get processing mails as well, right? So I had already completed an order beforehand, few hours ago. So you get a domain order processing mail as such, right? This is a domain I bought a few hours ago, right? So you get a processing mail as such, and then once the order is completed, you get the order complete mail as such, right? This is the order complete mail where you also get an invoice in a PDF format. So if I go ahead and download the PDF, you can see the invoice that we generate. This is the payment I made some hours ago. So this is the domain name, the price, and the payment method I used, and all the relevant details that you may require in the future. So you get an invoice like this as well, right? So let's go ahead and yeah, see there's a domain order processing mail for the current buyer, cryptomus.og as well. So once it completes, I'll get the invoice for this as well. And once the order completes, you can see the domain in your my domain section. So this order I completed a few hours ago, so I have it over here, right? Once the order is complete, this order is also complete, I'll have it over here as well, right? So this was one payment gateway that we used, right? So I'll walk you through another payment gateway that is quite similar to this one, right? Let's say I want to buy this one. I want to buy an OG only. So let's go with OG, right? I'll go with CoinGate Live. It's the same process. Now, since I've already connected my wallet once, it won't ask me again. If you're logged out, it will ask you for your wallet or email. But if you're logged in, then you can directly go ahead and check this domain out. So I'll click on this and I'll click on checkout, right? We're again greeted with this screen again, a card payment and crypto payment screen. So I'll go ahead and go to CoinGate this time. Let's complete a payment using CoinGate, right? So I'll click on CoinGate, and you also get a notice here saying that you need to pay exactly the shown amount. Since if you underpay, if you overpay, then there may be some issues that you may encounter, right? So I'll go ahead and pay with crypto, right? I'll click on the currency I have. As you know, I have Polygon. I have some amount of Polygon. So I'll go ahead and click on Polygon. And again, you need to select the network. So I have it on Polygon, remember. I don't have it on Ethereum. I have it on Polygon. So make sure to choose the same network, sorry. So here for CoinGate, you need to enter some personal details since CoinGate mandates you to enter such details. Once you enter the details, you will then get a QR that you can scan with your phone wallet to pay the order, or you can again do the same thing that you did with Cryptomus. I'll go ahead and do the same thing. I'll copy the address. I'll click on send. Right. This is the wallet I'm sending to, and the amount I'll write. So it is 16.91998298. 91998298 Okay, so this is the exact amount I entered for Polygon as well. I'll go ahead and click on continue and I'll confirm the transaction. So this is almost the same thing that we did with Cryptomus, but just on another interface. So CoinGate
Just
is confirming my
one thing
transaction.
for the users, like in this CoinGate and CryptoBus, we can select any currency that we want to do the payment, or it has to be selected with that related only. I mean, if we are doing it on Polygon, it has to be or any currency can be
No,
used.
no, any currency that the payment gateway supports can be used because it the payment gateway can use any cryptocurrency that you have. I mean, all the popular currencies that are there, you can pay using that. It's not necessary that you have to pay with Pol. Since I had Polygon, I paid with Pol. So yeah, I my payment was successful again uh, from CoinGate as well. So if I go ahead and view the order, I now have two domains on processing. This one is the latest one, yeah, coingatelive.og, right? I have also received another domain order processing mail for coingatelive.og. So once these orders complete, I will have it on my domain section, right? So since it takes 10 to 15 minutes, I will not wait 10 to 15 minutes to show you this section as well. I have already bought a domain, and what we can I'll show you quickly what we can do with the domain once you've bought it. So let's say your order completes and you this shows up on your my domains. What you can do is then go ahead and manage the domain, right? So what it will do is it will fetch all the information from the blockchain, and then you are greeted with this page. You're greeted with the again four options where you're greeted with reverse resolution, linking cryptocurrency address. You can transfer the domain or you can park the domain, right? So on in today's scope, let us discuss about linking cryptocurrency addresses because that is the major use case of a Web3 domain. Let us first understand what this linking cryptocurrency does. So let's say you have a wallet address that you want to receive Polygon in, the Polygon cryptocurrency. But you don't want to be sending the whole wallet address. You just want to send this domain name, this endlesslive.og. I just want to send this to somebody and say that transfer me Polygon to this domain, right? So to do that, this crypto option is helpful, right? So what you can do is go ahead and add currency over here. As I deal in Polygon a lot, I will do Polygon, but you can do any other currency that you like, right? So once you do this, you can enter your Polygon address that you want to receive funds in. So let's say I want to receive funds in this wallet itself. If somebody enters endlesslive.og, I want to be receiving funds in this wallet. So I'll go ahead and copy the address of this wallet, right? I'll paste it over here and then I'll save the changes. It will ask me for a confirmation saying if I'm sure that I want to update the crypto data. I'll click on OK. So what it'll do is it will give me a transaction. You are receiving a transaction because everything on Web3 domains happens on the blockchain. So anything that you need to change on the domain has to be confirmed on the blockchain as well. So since I'm the owner, it will give me this transaction. I need to confirm this transaction. So once I've confirmed this transaction, what will happen is crypto data is updated successfully. So if anyone wants to send me Polygon funds to this address, they can simply go ahead and type endlesslive.og instead of pasting this address as a whole. I'll show you an example. So what happens is I've connected this crypto address. So reflection on the blockchain takes time. So I'll show you another example. let's say I want to send funds to Sandy, one of my friends, Sandy, right? So I'll click on send, but I don't remember her wallet address. I'll simply type her domain name, which I know that is sandy.nft. So if I go ahead and type sandy.nft, what it does is it gives me her wallet address itself. So I'll go ahead and click on this, and then I can go ahead and send any amount of Polygon I like to sandy.nft. So what this does is there's no exchange of messages between me and Sandy saying what wallet address is it, confirm the wallet address, or is it right or not. She just sent me the domain name. I typed in the domain name, and I can send the currency from here itself. There's no need to exchange messages saying this is the wallet address, this is too long, or this anything like that. So that is one major advantage of Web3 domains, which is why we are showcasing it as well. And this is the first use case that we wanted to showcase on our live demo as well, right? So yeah, you can do all this on your my domains. So we're reserving other parts for other live demonstration, but this is a major use case that we wanted to cover today, including the buying flow and this cryptocurrency flow.
Okay, Mohit, tell me one thing in this. I'm currently you said you type sandy.nft and it is showing the
Mhm.
wallet address. What if I change my wallet address and the currency?
Yeah, so for that we can add multiple currencies. So let's say you also want to receive BNB, right? You want to receive BNB on the same address. So what you can do is go ahead and add another currency. You can copy. Let's say it is the same address that you want to receive BNB in. So I'll go ahead and add BNB. I'll add the wallet over here, and then I'll save changes again. It will again prompt me with a transaction, after which you can receive BNB on the same domain as well. So basically, it's not you can link multiple currencies to a single domain. So yeah, that is an advantage as well. You can receive multiple currencies on a single domain. So I'll go ahead and confirm this transaction as well. So now, if this transaction is confirmed, what I can do is send this to anyone sending me BNB as well, and I can send this to anyone sending me Polygon as well. So it works the same, right? So this is the basic flow that we wanted to show for the buying process and some process of the management part as well. Ankit, anything that we need to cover? Anything else that we need to cover?
In this thing, what last time also I experienced one issue. Like I bought the domain, but it was not reflecting in my wallet after 10-15 minutes also. So what could be
Mhm.
the cases, whether it's a issue from my side or
No, so yeah, that issue is faced by some users. So the first thing I would recommend doing is first go to this page, check if your order is complete or not. It's still processing on my end, so I will only receive the domain after the processing time is over if it's completed, right? If it's completed, let's say this order is completed, then I need to go to my domains, and what this page will do is it will automatically fetch it for you if the domain is bought. By chance, if you do not see it on this page as well, you can click on the small button over here. That is the refresh button that syncs data with the blockchain again. So when it syncs data with the blockchain, it will fetch your newly bought domains over here. So that is how it goes. If you do not see the domain, you can go ahead and check your my orders. If it's completed, then you can go to my domains and then click on the refresh button. That will fetch the domains from the blockchain.
got it. I'm sorry, I got disconnected, but yeah, I got the information. Like,
Yeah.
what are the things that I need to check, and is there a way to verify whether my transaction hash that is showing in the invoice is it correct or not? I mean, I just want to see whether it's authenticated or not. So, could you explain me over that also? How to check the
Yeah.
transaction, whether the payment has been transferred and the domain has been minted on the blockchain?
Yeah, so there are two ways you can do it. Like, obviously, this is the order ID that we give you. You can directly contact us and ask if there's an issue with the order ID. But let's say you want to check on the blockchain that if the transaction, I mean, if the uh, domain that we've sold is legit or not. So what you can do is, first you need to check the chain on which it is minted. So it is on Polygon. So if I want to check on Polygon, I'll be going to polygonscan.com. Right. This is a blockchain explorer that is a very public project. Then you can check on your wallet if it's minted or not. So you can basically copy your wallet. You can go over here, and what it will do is it will load every history that you may have. So let's not look at these transactions. Let us look at NFT transfers. That is what we're concerned with, right? So the domain I bought 1 hour ago, it's minted to me. It's showing in. So basically, I received the domain, and the item is this one. So if I go ahead and click on the item, it will show me metadata for the item as well. So it will show you how what transaction hash it used and what action happened when this domain got minted and it got transferred to you. So you can go ahead and check over here if the domain has been minted to you or not as well. That is one way we can check how on Polygon scan. Let's say if the domain was on base, then we can go to base scan. If the domain was on BNB, we can go to BSC scan. So we can go to the relevant scanner link for the relevant block network that we can do.
Got it. I think you explained very well, Mohit, because this is the issue that I also face sometime. Domains are not
Mhm.
showing. Like, could you, like, currently you just bought the domains on OG under one platform, which is on Polygon chain. Could you tell me like how
Mhm.
to buy or how to check other domains on other blockchains as well? Because I know
Okay, okay. So,
ETH,
uh,
fan of
l-
.eth also. So could you tell me like how what is the buying process of doing of going for .eth?
okay. For ETH, what we can do is obviously the processes remain same. Let's say I want to buy this, and it's an ETH domain. ETH is a very popular extension that we have that is from Ethereum Beam service, right? So the basic process remains same. We search for the domain, we add it to cart, right? We go to our cart, and then here you can find domain under Ethereum Beam service, right? So here what you can do is first there are multiple things that change when buying an ETH domain. So if you click on this, it will show you uh, an additional registration fee. This is a registration fee that is comparatively higher to other platforms because Ethereum has uh, comparatively higher gas fees when compared to other
Hmm.
platforms. So a registration fee is shown over here, which is basically a network fee and payment processing fee. And also
Okay.
an option that you did not have on other domains is the year part. So whatever the OG domain that we purchased, that is permanent, so you don't need to renew it, you don't need to do anything to it. But the
Okay.
ETH domains that ENS service provides, it's renewable, so you need to mention the number of years that you're going to buy the domain for, right? Let's say I want to buy it for 5 years, then the subtotal changes according to 5 years. The registration fees remains the same since it's one time, and then you can go ahead and check out the domain as we did with other platforms. But these are the two things that you need to keep in mind: the number of years over here, and then the registration fees. These are the two new things that happens when you buy uh, an ETH domain from Ethereum
Right.
Beam service.
So you mean is .eth is $5 annually, and the gas fee
Yeah.
remains the same, right? I mean, if I want to buy it for 5 years or 10 years, the price will be accordingly, and all these prices are the same compared to the other platforms, right? Like ENS, Unstoppable Domains, Solana. The prices
Yeah,
what
yeah.
they are
The
keeping and
prices
it's keeping are the same
are the same.
always.
Yeah, the prices are the same, and the prices also depend on the length of the domain that you've selected. If I were to
Got
select a shorter domain, then the price would be higher naturally. That is how it
got it.
works.
And I think multiple chain. When I was going through the demo that you were showing me, there was some link
Hmm.
called Open. So can you tell me what is that Open link and how does it that work as well?
Okay, we can just go ahead and yeah, this one. Uh, this is the search page. This is the search results that come up. So we have three options for open as well. So what this means is you can't check out these domains directly on our platform. You need to go ahead and buy it from their official platform. So what we call them are, they are redirection integration partners for us. Uh, we show their availability, we show their unavailability, but the checkout for the domains will happen on their platform. So let's say if you want to buy this box domain, you need to click on open, and then it takes you to their site, uh, which and then which then you can buy from here. So this is the open button is basically redirection to our integration partners that want checkout on their side. So you need to check out the domain on their side. That is the only difference.
So I think the good part is the domain that I've searched on endless domains, and when I go for the open, clicking on open link, it is showing me the
Hmm.
same domain I searched for. I don't have to search the domain
Right.
name again. Wow,
Yeah,
this is
you
good.
just need to open, and then you need to buy it from here. You don't need to search again. You don't need to do anything again.
But if I buy a domain with your redirection link, can I manage that on endless domains also?
Yes, definitely. In any TLD that you see that is listed here, you can manage it on endless domains. So all the 75 TLDs that are listed here can be managed on endless domains, regardless of the site you purchase them on.
Got it. So I think
Okay.
thank you, Mohit, for giving
So
us the.
I have a question. Do we have any
Mhm.
limitation on the coins we can purchase domains with? Or is
Uh,
it applicable?
yeah, I
All the
mean,
coins are applicable.
you can't buy domains with meme coins. What I mean by that is, you can't buy domains with coins that are not popular yet, because payment gateways only support stable and popular coins. Let's say Bitcoin is supported, Polygon is supported, but let's say a new coin is launched yesterday and you have that coin, you can't use that. You won't be able to use that to buy a domain, because it's not in circulation, popular or stable yet. So basically, popular coins that are in the market, you can use any one of those coins to buy.
Okay.
Okay.
Mohit, one more thing, one last thing. I mean, it's very important for all the users to know. Like we are as an aggregator platform. If I want to buy .og, .x, .eth, .bnb, can I buy it all together doing a same checkout, or it has to be different
No, no,
ways?
no. You can buy the same provider. You can buy domains from the same provider all at once. You don't need to do
Okay.
separate checkout for that. So, as an example, if I added more ETH domains over here, so I can check. I can click on them all at once and then check. Go to the checkout process all at once. I don't need to click on one and then check out and then do it again for another one. You can check them all out at once.
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you just try and doing a .og or .x also? Like, what are
Okay.
the
So
possibilities
let's
that could?
say
Hmm.
I'm doing .x, and then let's do .og as well, right? So then if you go to cart, then you'll see the domains categorized according to the provider. So
Okay.
OG and X are provided by Unstoppable Domains, and ETH is provided by ENS. So what you can do is you can either select these two and then click on checkout, or what you can do is select this one and then click on checkout. You can't select all three because they are from the different providers, but if they are under the same provider, you can check them out all at once.
Got it. So any particular aggregator or provider can be checked out same time with bulk buying also, but two
Yeah,
different
yeah.
providers cannot be done at the same transaction. It has to be different
Right,
transaction.
right,
Got it.
right.
I think from my side, I've got all the queries that I had on buying a domain. But yeah,
Mhm.
definitely, Pallavi, it's on. Please take on, and if anyone have any queries, please share some email or details so that we can solve the queries as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you for the questions as well. And hopefully, we'll be doing such sessions more in the future as well. Pallavi, you can take over.
Yeah. Thanks, Mohit. Thanks, Ankit, to give the live demo. I think it's helpful for everyone. So, guys, whatever the questions are, please, we'll be sharing a QR and our support email. So, any questions you guys have regarding that, please feel free to send it there. And also on the chat, we will be reverting back soon on the chat. So, yeah, thanks everyone for joining our first ever live demo. We hope this session was clear and a hands-on look on how simple it is to buy a Web3 domains on Endless Domain. So yeah, let's connect. Like I will be checking all the questions, and I'll be replying back, and our support team will be replying back regarding any tech-based questions. So yeah, hope to see you all soon. Thanks.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, everyone, for joining our live walkthrough session from Endless Domains. As Pallavi said correctly, anyone have any questions regarding the domain mining experience, please feel free to scan and connect with us via support email as well. We'll be happy to resolve all your queries when you are doing domain buying on Endless Domains. Thank you.
Thank you.